Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Zipporah, the Luxe Angel, and today we have another unboxing. This is the second luxury unboxing of the year. What? Anyway, so this is a follow-up to my previous unboxing. Previously, I unboxed the Louis Vuitton Essential V hoops, and you know what? Let me just remind you of what those looked like. So I liked the Essential V hoops so much, I decided that I want to get something else from the collection. So that is what you have here. Sorry if it's anticlimactic, but there are several pieces in this collection, and so you don't know what it is yet. So let's go ahead and unbox it without further ado, because ain't nobody got time to be here forever. Standard packaging, Louis Vuitton. Oh, okay, so the last two unboxings I've been talking about Louis Vuitton's packaging and how it's like compared to like Chanel, and not even just Chanel, like I mean Chanel Beauty, just Chanel Beauty, not even the the bags and stuff. Like the packaging is so lackluster. And I remember joking when I unboxed my Louis Vuitton what is it called? The New Wave chain bag. I was joking and I was like, well, maybe Louis Vuitton is trying to, you know, lessen the carbon footprint, and that's why they don't have as much packaging. And you guys, I think I'm right. You go to the website and you click on underneath, they have like little blurbs about all of their products, and they talk about the packaging and how it's like mostly recycled and all this stuff and blah, 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 blah. So they're doing minimal packaging to reduce the carbon footprint, which I can get behind. You don't need a whole hell of a hoopla for packaging, although I am obsessed with Chanel Beauty's packaging, so whatevers. Anyways, that's just to let you know that is why every time I unbox something, Louis Vuitton has like minimal packaging, which I can get behind that. You know, we can save the trees. I need to breathe too. We all need to breathe. All right, so you've seen this all before. It's a little crumpled. Like, did they just... Oh! Is this the first time they have a little ribbon on it? Oh, I've been talking all that shit, and this time they have a ribbon. Oh, maybe because it's Valentine's Day coming up. So today is Monday, February 8th. So we have Valentine's Day coming up, and I always write myself a note from Spirit, because hi, this channel is all about living la vida loa. Like everything you see here, I manifested that shit. Okay, we be manifesting, bitches. So when I do these things right here, I always send a little message to myself. Okay, so I didn't do a message with this because for some reason it's Mercury retrograde, and like for some reason, like I couldn't make the pay. They would not take my money. I've had this issue at Calvin Klein too, and then I like waited, and then they took my money. And so at that point I was like, I'm not rewriting a message, but whatever. If you live in La Vida Loa like me, who cares? Anyway, but yes, because well then yeah, this must be for Valentine's Day because I didn't include a gift message. So, but thank you, Louis, for finally giving me a ribbon, making it special. All right, let's go. Wait, hold on. I gotta stop this and take a picture, so sorry. Okay, picture taken. Now, look at my... Why, Spirit? Y'all be playing, because every time I do an unboxing, like I'm in the middle of doing a new set. Like I just took this off. Acetone is all over here, honey. Yes, and we're about to do a holiday set, Valentine's Day set. Anyway, so let's unbox this. Like, let me just keep on going, doing what I'm doing. Oh, please don't make it hard. Do I have to sink my teeth in? No, I don't. I'm gonna sink my teeth. I'm just gonna be gently unwrapping. Oh, yes, gently. Oh. What could she be from this new collection? Oh, it's not a new collection, but it's new to me. Again, this is the Essential V collection. And it comes in a dust bag. Oh, comes into plastic. Okay. Yeah, it definitely is in this plastic. Carbon footprint reducing though? Like, why some extra plastic? Whatever, I'm not saying nothing. All right, so as you can see here, like, I don't need this, like, oh, more. Okay, more. These are the Louis Vuitton Essential V studs. Yeah, baby. I got the studs on. I got the studs to match the hoops. Pardon my nails. This is rough. Jesus. Woo, though. Yes. Yes. And you see the studs also have the teeny little LV inscription there. Just like the hoops. And aren't they so cute? And they're not too big. So I got these studs because I have double pierced ears. So in the front piercings, I'm gonna wear the hoops. And in the back piercings, I'm gonna wear these studs. And I still have more from this collection on the way. Bye. So at the end of this, I am going to input some mod shots of both pairs of earrings in my ears. So stay tuned for that. Guys, I did not even see this. Look at the backing of this earring. It's their flower, their monogram flower motif as the backing of the flippin' earring. This is why I love Louis Vuitton. They are so creative and thoughtful about these teensy little flippin' details. Look at that. That is so sweet. Again, sweeter than these horrendous nails. But y'all gonna be, I'm gonna have the last laugh though, because my fucking Valentine's nails about to be sweet and y'all gonna be hating, so whatever. You can kiss the evil eye ring, bitches. Anyway, good luck with that. Yes, baby, yes. Okay, gotta go, bye. But that is the unboxing, guys, of the Louis Vuitton Essential V studs in gold. And they look so super cute. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you have any questions, hit me up via email, theluxeangelonline@gmail.com. And make sure you follow me on Instagram as well, theluxeangel_. All right. Until next time, guys, have a gorgeous day. Much more gorgeous than my nails. Thank you and goodbye.